Hi everyone. So today's video is based on ERD, I mean anti-relationship diagram, and how to drop and create the tables in DBViewer. So this is the ERD, I mean entity relationship diagram for project schema. So first of all, what is ERD? So basically ERD, as we all know, any database contains multiple tables. So ERD basically, define the relationship between those tables. Like in this example, I created this ERD for project schema. And in this schema, there are multiple tables like projects, material, step, category. So project is my primary table, and this has a project ID as a primary key. And this is my material table. It has a material ID as a primary key and project ID as a foreign key. So now this foreign key, is creating the relationship between these two table. So between these two table, I mentioned the relationship one to many. Why one to many? Because for one project there can be a more than one material, right? So it is one to many relationship between these two tables. Then the same thing here, for one project there can be a multiple steps. So here between project and step there is a one to many relationship, and in this table step ID is working as a primary key and project ID is working as a foreign key. Now these two tables, projects and category, between these two table, it's a many to many relationship. Why? Because for one project, for one project ID there can be a multiple categories, and for one category there can be a multiple project. So between these two table it's a many to many relationship. And we created one new table with the name of project category, which is basically is uh, creating a relationship between this project and category table. So we are joining these two table with the help of project category, right? So this is my ERD for project schema. Now comes to DBViewer. Yeah, so this is my projects schema, and this is the database projects, and under this database there are the tables which I show you in my ERD: category, material, project category, and step, right? And this is the SQL editor to write down the SQL queries. So first I have I already drop I write down all the SQL queries. So first I wrote the SQL queries to drop all the tables, and then I wrote the SQL queries to create all the tables. So when we are dropping the table, we should take care of one thing. First, we should drop those table which have dependency on another table. So in I will show you here, like a drop table if exists material. So material table here. So in material table, it has dependency on project table, because here project ID is working as a foreign key. So before deleting project table, we have to delete the material table, right? The same with step table, because in step table project ID is working as a foreign key. Now comes to project category. In project category there are two foreign key, project ID and category ID. So before deleting project and category, we have to delete project category. So there should be a sequence for dropping the table. Now comes in creating the tables. So this is the statement for creating the tables. All 5 tables I have created here. I want to show you one more thing. So this is my all tables. When I click here, view tables, so you can see here are my 5 tables. When I click on category, even you can see the column names. This is view table. Then you can see here all the columns name. One more thing, when I click on table, right click on table, there is a view diagram. Here we can see the ER diagram of this project schema, and we can see how all the tables are connected to each other. Thank you for watching.